We decided this weekend to stay local. Still a little chilly at night to camp, and I am still recovering from valley fever. So we decided to mountain bike at Fort McDowell on Saturday. This is our favorite mountain biking park of all the Maricopa County Parks that we visit. This one's a little bit of a travel for us. It's probably about 45 minutes from our house, but we got to travel through beautiful Fountain Hills, which we love. And here is the entrance to the park. We actually went on to Peverton Trail and then Granite Trail and Delsey Trail while we were here. We had a really nice ride, about 10 miles, and it was a little bit warmer than I anticipated. I think it was about 80 degrees, but we had a good ride. After we stopped at a great little Thai restaurant, got some takeout to take home. But good day. Really enjoyed ourselves. We love this park. Highly recommend Fort McDowell. Great for mountain biking, and they have some exceptional hikes here as well.
Every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
And then on Sunday, we decided to have a little sunset picnic at Usery Mountain Regional Park, another great Maricopa County Park. This is really close to us, about 30 minutes, so enjoy this drone footage of the beautiful park. And that's even Elliott, of course.